Hey you guys, thank you all so much for stopping by. Today I will be sharing with you my spring bar cart decorating, as well as a drink of my choice for the spring season. So what I am creating here is a strawberry mojito, and I will be adding strawberries, mint leaves, 1 lime, half cup of sugar, um, a cup of lemon or lime juice, and Sprite. So I've got everything mixed in here together. I will mix the strawberries, the mint, and the lemon juice, and then I will pour in sugar, and then I will continue to mix until I get the color that I desire and the frothing from the mixing. And you may add it on top of ice, crushed ice, or just as is. Once you're done with your mixing and you pour into your glass, then you may add your strawberries, your mint leaves for garnishment, and a lime on the side for that added touch. So you guys continue to watch and continue to enjoy as I continue to create this drink and then share with you my bar cart decor. Hey guys, now making up this drink is part of a challenge that is hosted by It's a Cozy Lifestyle with Marilyn, and her co-host is Phyllis of JRC Restoration and Decor Designs. I will leave both of their information channel links in my description box below. Please go over and show and shower them with so much love, and view the content of the other participants, and just enjoy what we are having to offer you on this day. Now, part of the challenge is to share a drink of choice, and as you see here, this is my drink, and also to style out a bar cart. So once you're done here with my drink, you will see my bar cart. So you guys, if you are new to my channel, right here, right now, I say thank you so much for stopping by. And if you would like to become a part of, just hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice, so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. And for those of you that continue to support me, I thank you so very much. I appreciate you for stopping by, and I hope that you will enjoy or try the drink and enjoy my bar cart styling, as I will be styling it for spring and Easter. Okay, you guys, this is my bar cart styling for the spring and Easter of 2021. And as you can see here, I have this candlestick, and this is actually a find from the Z Gallery, but I've used it to kind of add some greenery to give a little life to the bar cart here on this side. You see that I have in the center my drinks that are separating the food from the decorative side. That branch tree, you have seen it before. I used it back, I think, in my Christmas decor, but I've just added some greenery and some eggs to just a clear old branch that I picked up a while back. So you guys continue to enjoy my bar cart. Let me know what you think of my styling. I try to keep it very light. As you all know, we are coming out of, some of us have been locked in since last year. Not me particularly, but you know, some people have been in the house since last year, and some of us have come through the winter season where we tend to eat and snack a little bit more. So I just kind of kept it a little bit light here. So you guys, I hope you will enjoy my setup. If you do, let me know what you think, and please give us all thumbs up, leave us comments, and just show and shower so much love. And if you are not a part of my family here, now is a great time to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you will be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. And for those of you that continue to support me, I thank you guys so very much. It is such a blessing, and I thank you. So continue to be blessed, continue to enjoy, and until I see you on the next video, thank you, thank you. Hey guys, don't forget to go over and visit the host as well as the co-host and check out the playlist link of the other participants. And again, be blessed, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.